To understand the toroidal engine, I'll present you the mechanism prototype that I manage with my limited means. This represents a general section mechanism of this engine being applicable to a four-stroke cycle with some differences. As we can see, this concept presents two opposite toroidal pistons which operate into a toroidal cylinder, having an oscillating, rotating motion. It's obvious that the cylinder head is missing and the combustion chamber is comprised between the two toroidal pistons and the toroidal cylinder. Each toroidal piston contains two main parts, respectively the piston crown and the double rocker arm which are fixed between them. The piston crown supports the rings which are not present in this simple mechanism. The double rocker arms are mounted on a rotary joint located in the center of the toroidal cylinder. Each double rocker arm transmits its motion to a connecting rod. Each connecting rod makes the link with a crankshaft which is forced to have a rotating motion. The two resultant crankshafts are synchronized by means of a pair of gears having a unitary gearing ratio. So, the oscillating rotating motion of the toroidal pistons is transformed in continuous rotating motion to the crankshafts. Spark plug or an injector is located in the middle portion of the cylinder, and there is only one for each pair of pistons. The toroidal pistons work suspended in the cylinder, and only the rings remain in close contact to ensure the sealing of the combustion chamber. It will be a gate between the piston and cylinder, as you can see in this movie. Consequently, the piston skirt is not necessary for the four-stroke engine, and in the case of the two-stroke engine, it is used only to close or to open the exhaust and intake window. Normal force, which produces 20% from the total friction, is eliminated. The engine presents an extended expansion stroke without increase to the total volume. For example, this model has around 0.5 liters and is ultra compact. Even the report between the total stroke and bore is around 2.